This is how we started, and this is how we finished.
Hi, this is Russ from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're in San Antonio and we're just finishing up this 3-car garage with baseboards. So the customer did get the optional baseboard. Now along this wall here, there was some ugly stuff on the wall, so we ground it back and did some repairs. The customer is going to come back and paint that in himself, but it's going to give a much neater appearance. So this is the floor. We sanded and filled the control joints, and that's why we have this seamless surface. Gives a much better appearance. So we did a coating removal where we took off the cure and seal. We ground that all off. Then we went back, we switched over to diamonds, and we profiled the floor for proper epoxy application. Here you can see some details around the fixture. This color is Domino. So what I'm going to do is when I get down the other end, I'll show it in both the light and the regular ambient lighting. So here's a better look at that color in and out of the sun. This is just a simple blend of black, white, and gray, completely neutral. And this color blend definitely matched the exterior of this home. Just some more details, and here's the edge that we cleaned up a little bit. There wasn't too much to clean up here. It was a pretty good shape. And we'll take care of that leaf. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.